everybody, welcome back. Today, let's review what we went over in the last class, which is about using audio adjustments and introducing fades to help polish your video. So let's get started. So let's just watch the clip as we have it now. The clip from a song that I love called Without Me by Halsey. So without further ado, let's listen to the clip. As you can see, it's a little bit too loud right here. You want the ideal volume to be around -5 to -10 at the most. So the best way to adjust your audio levels is to find a peak over here. A peak is where the audio level is somewhere near the top at the maximum level of volume for this clip. So click on the clip, go to Filters, and the plus sign, add a filter. Under audio, look for this filter right here. It's called gain/volume. There we go. This looks pretty good. As you can see, I can lower the level, so negative number means that I'm making the volume less. And as you can see, the top level is going down. I'm gonna pause it right there. To the clip. And now the clip is a little bit quieter and it more closely matches the audio of my screencast. So I've adjusted the audio on one clip of my original video, but I want to use that same audio level on all of my clips. So I will click right here on the two pieces of paper. This means to copy the filters. Copy. It's a little bit too loud right here. And I'll click right here on the clipboard. This will paste the same filters into this same clip. Make sure that you click on the clip that you want to paste and then click paste. Now the audio levels on this clip are the same as the audio levels on the previous clip. Not bad. Using these magnifying glasses right here, you can zoom in or zoom out on your timeline to either see very close to make a transition or to see very far away and to see your whole project. When you go to the corners over here, what you can see is the red line and the green line. The red line is the left-hand side and the green line is the right-hand side. So I went to my screencast file and I held down the left mouse clicker and I dragged it to the right. This creates what's known as a crossfade. Clip. Clip. A crossfade is when you take the edges of two different clips and you blend them together. So if you have a big increase in audio from the end of one clip to the beginning of another clip, what you can do is sort of blend them together so that the transition of the audio is a little bit more smooth. This is a crossfade. One thing to mention is that I cannot create a crossfade by dragging from my original downloaded clip. Because to create a crossfade, you have to extend one clip just a little bit in order to create that blending zone. And because I inserted the full clip right here, I cannot extend it any further. The clip is at its full length. So instead, I will extend my screencast clip just a little bit, and that will help me create a blending zone for the crossfade to happen. Okay, let's go back and listen to a figurative expression. So I go to the left-hand side of the clip because that's the right. No, the left-hand side of the clip is the red, and I drag it to the right. Sometimes you have to do a little bit of force. You have to drag it a little bit forcefully in order for the crossfade to catch. And I have a crossfade. Now, finally, do you see this little pulsing dot right here? At the corner of every clip, you can choose to create a fade in or fade out. This will allow the audio or the video to very gradually appear. I hold down my click and I drag across, and that will give me my fade in. Use a clip from a song that I love called Without Me. I will use a clip from a song that I love. And now my audio and video slowly dissolve in. So again, hold down the left mouse button on this pulsing dot and move to the left. Now, as you can see, it created the filter for me, fade out video, fade out audio. So maybe I want the audio to stay at full level, but I want only the video to fade out. By clicking the box, you can activate or deactivate the filter. So this time I'm going to fade out the video, but the audio is going to stay strong. But now if I uncheck the fade out video, my audio will decline, but my video will remain the same. Okay, I hope that you found this helpful. If you're new to this, hopefully this was some good, helpful advice. If this is a review, I hope it was a solid review, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Let's finish strong, and until then, goodbye.